of wine are carefully created in the aging process. Sub-Zero knows preserving wine requires delicate care, and the new generation of integrated wine storage offers an arsenal of protective features that guard against its enemies. Independent storage zones maintain wine's perfect temperature, allowing storage of multiple types of wine. The redesigned touch panel allows you to control temperature to within 1 degree. Dual evaporators maintain constant moderate humidity, and as the guardian against light, these UV-resistant bronze-tinted glass doors and dark back wall protect the bottles against exposure.
We know one of the keys to wine preservation is to reduce vibration. So by including full extension racks into our wine units, we're able to give users greater access to their wine. We also looked at the shape and texture of our wine racks, because we knew if we could get a nice solid grip on the bottles, we would reduce the chances of them sliding around inside the unit.
Adding a more dramatic look to the new generation integrated wine storage is a dark rear wall interior and lighting system.
The new integrated wine and refrigeration product has a new soft on feature where the LED lights on the inside will gradually increase in brightness as you open the door. This is a user adjustable setting.
And organizing your collection has never been easier, with a new inventory system that keeps bottles organized and easy to locate.
It's one of the few companies that really values the designer's opinion. So the new sizes that are available, all of that is very important to us as designers, and we know that this is going to work.
The design choices are virtually unlimited when you combine multiple sizes. There's wine storage and refrigerator drawers, or combine with other integrated products to suit your personal taste. The new generation of Sub-Zero integrated wine storage.